Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the Fiverr ranking factors you need to know to ensure your gigs rank in the Fiverr search result. Okay, so now what are some of the Fiverr ranking factors I can talk to you about today? One of the very first ranking factors is SEO optimized gigs. What I mean by SEO optimized gig, search engine optimized gigs. All right, that is, you have created your gigs in a way that it can appear on the Fiverr search result. Okay, this include adding your keywords in your title. All right, you can also add your keywords in your gig images. All right, adding your keywords strategically in your gig's description. All right, using the relevant tags for your niche. Okay, those are some of the ranking factors. Okay, you can also introduce a video to your gig. All right, according to Fiverr, videos can boost your gig rankings by an average of 40%. Okay, that's the first set of ranking factors. Now, when you create a Fiverr gig, you don't just relax and expect buyers to start flooding into your account and buying your gigs. No, there's what we call social proof. All right, in the sense that you have to make people perceive that other people are buying from you and they are getting what they are buying from you. Okay, what you simply do is to get your family and friends to try out your service, to buy your service and give you a nice feedback or give you a good feedback. Okay, we call it reviews. All right, look for relative, look for friends, or you create a buyer account to buy your reviews, to buy your gig and give yourself some awesome feedback. All right, so that's one other ranking factor. For instance, your gigs are not performing, you should try and buy your gigs and give it some rating over time. Okay, another ranking factor I need to talk to you about is Fiverr does something. Fiverr is all for the money. Okay, they promote gigs that will give them the most money. Right, so what you need to do is this: when you buy a review, when you buy your gig, all right, try as much as possible to leave yourself a tip. All right, that way you are trying to tell Fiverr that, okay, people that buy this gig, they are likely to leave a tip. All right, so they'll promote your gig more on the search result. Another ranking factor is okay, promoting your gigs on social media. Okay, you can promote your gigs on Facebook groups, Instagram, Twitter, and all that. Those activities send signals to Fiverr that your gig is kind of relevant, and it sends social signals to your gigs, which in turn leads to higher rankings. All right. Okay, what other ranking method should I talk to you about now? Okay, staying online. Well, I don't know if I can't really tell if well, this is how it works. It works it doesn't work in a straight line. Okay, so when you stay online 247, all right, you are likely to make more sales, and when you make more sales, and get good ratings, you enjoy more rankings. All right, so you stay online, people easily find you online, they buy from you, and those activities end up giving you more rankings on the Fiverr platform. Okay, so what other ranking factor can I talk about now? Okay, when you deliver an order on Fiverr, you could try to, for instance, you deliver an article on Fiverr, you can put your keywords on the name of the article. All right, for instance, you are in a WordPress niche, you can put your keywords in the image you are delivering to buyers. That should also help to rank your gigs. So what other ranking factors can I talk about? Okay, deliver on time. Deliver on time. Always get 5-star reviews. Okay, if you deliver a service, try to ask your buyers to get back to you if they have any problem, so you can fix it. All right, so you could fix it so that they don't leave you negative reviews. Avoid negative reviews at all costs. It's the fastest way for your account to die on Fiverr. So I believe that's enough for some Fiverr ranking factors. So I'll create more videos as regarding Fiverr to help you boost your Fiverr business. All right, thank you for watching. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment, and let me know what you like about the video. Feel free to share the video with your friends. Feel free to support my channel the best way you can, and know that I care about your business. I care about you. One love. Peace.